This is how not to fell a tree. Well, what's left of the tree, we've got 90% of it down. This last piece wedged, unfortunately. So it looks like we're going to try and hook up a car now and smash it off, or break the rope, whichever one comes first. Let's just admire Tony Marsh and his attempt, our attempt, to get this fucking tree out of this. Once the traffic is clear, of course, we're safety conscious.
Keep going.
Oh, there's action! Hey!
Good, keep going. Good, yeah, awesome. That's great. Oh, stop!
Uh,
You're done, tired. Come back. Ready? Think about that. Right.
we'll come back at take two. Take two after we fix the tow bar. Turns out, young trees, real hard to break.
Taxi?
Not that hard though.